So today I have a new wet dry shop vac from HAUSHOF. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but this is a 24-volt system with a removable rechargeable battery. So this is our removable battery right here, and it is 4,000 milliamp hours or 86 watt hours. And this one does charge up to 100 watts on the input, which is really nice. It charges really fast actually. And you can just charge it with a Type C right here. You can also use it as a power brick going out. Same with that Type A. There's also a button there that will give you your battery percentage. It may not be coming up on the camera for the battery percentage. Right now we are at 100%. Okay. Now some other cool features is that this one stores everything nice and neat. So like right here, we have this attachment. So you could do your rugs and stuff. When you're done, it just goes nice and neat right up in there. On this side, we do have our crevice tool. Same thing, goes back nice and neat, so you're not going to lose it. And then inside, we can open this up nice and easy. Pull this whole thing off. It does have a filter that you can take off, and you can either clean it or replace it. And then you can just dump everything out. And then, of course, we do have our hose. Overall, this one is not super loud either. So what I'll do is I'll take this to the truck and we'll just try it out, vacuuming some stuff in there. All right, so I wonder if it will work for dog hair. I do have dog hair all over the place right here. We'll try these tools as well. So actually, it's not doing too bad sucking that hair up. And you can probably tell that this vacuum is not very loud at all. Now let's try it with attachment. All right, so for hair, it actually works pretty decent. All right, let's get some debris with it. Use our crevice tool. Some bigger debris like French fries and straw paper. It's also advertised as a wet dry, so it's not going to be complete until we actually suck up some water. And all we got to do is open this up to clean it out. I already see a lot of hair and stuff in the filter. You'll see the liquid at the bottom and everything that we sucked up. If you happen to have vacuumed something in that you wanted to keep on an accident, let's say you drop some money in there or whatever, well, you can easily get everything out. And now that we have it opened, all we got to do is wash it out. Just let it dry out and then store it. I'd say overall it's a pretty nice little vacuum. I love the size of it. It's pretty portable. You can keep this in your vehicle, your trunk. You could hit this, or you could put this in your camping gear. You can have this anywhere. I like that you can store the utensils up underneath, and I like that the battery comes out and you can charge it really easy. Right now we're at 87% after cleaning the seat, the floor, and doing some of the wet stuff. But if you're looking for a pretty cool portable wet dry vacuum, this one is really neat. 24 watts, rechargeable with a Type-C, 24 volt system. You can store all your utensils nice and neat up underneath, which I really like. And everything is just nice and compact. That will be my quick demo from the HAUSHOF 24 volt wet dry vacuum system. I think it's pretty cool, works pretty well, and it will definitely find a lot of uses.